guys, so today we're learning about pyramids. And the first kind of pyramid that I want to show you today is called a square pyramid. And remember that prisms and pyramids are named after their bases. So this is called a square pyramid. So that means the base of the pyramid has to be a square. And if you look, this is the base of the pyramid. And it is a square. This is the pyramid as a prism. And this is the pyramid, the square pyramid, as a net. So it's unfolded. All right. So this side came down and that's this side. The back came down, that's this side. The left came down, that's this side. And then this is the front. Okay. So when we have a square pyramid, we need to first make sure that the bottom is a square because we might not have the net. So we need to get familiar with looking at that bottom. Look for those dotted lines to help us form the shape. And if you look at the bottom, it forms a square. Okay? So we know that the base is side squared because the formula to solve area for a square is side squared. Okay, so the base, I can tell, has a side of 7 because it says 7 by 7. So that means that would be 7 squared, which is actually 49 meters squared. Okay, because 7 squared is the same thing as saying 7 times 7. Okay, then I need to do the triangles. Now, on this pyramid, I have 4 triangular sides, and they are all the same measurement. So that means I have to do 4 triangles. So my formula for 4 triangles, and I'm going to circle this just so we don't lose that number. The formula for 4 triangles would be, remember, base times height divided by 2, and we're going to times 4. Okay, so now I just need to fill in my numbers. So when I look at it, I can tell that the base of the triangle, if this is a square, this is one side of the square, then this is also another side of the square. So if this is a square on bottom, I know that this is also 7 meters. So my base is 7 meters, and I'm multiplying it by the height of the triangle, which is right here. So that's 10. And when we look on the net, we can see this is the 7 for the triangle, the base, because the side of the square is the base of the triangle. And then this right here shows me the height, this line right here. Okay? So divided by 2 times 4. All right, now I simply need to do my math. 7 times 10 is 70 divided by 2 times 4. 70 divided by 2 is 35 times 4. All right, so now I just have to multiply. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to carry 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 2 is 140. So 140 meters square. And then I add my 2 numbers together because remember I'm doing the surface area for everything. So I have 49 plus 140. That's going to give me 189 meters square. 189 meters square. Okay. If this seemed difficult to you, watch it a couple of times so that you can remember all the things that I tell you to do, okay? All right, next video is going to be triangular prisms.